When a major storm hits the Florida coast, your pool enclosure is on the front lines. As this aerial shows, these structures are often completely flattened by a direct hit. Once the screens are breached, your home loses its primary barrier against the elements. Within hours, pests can move in, and wind-driven water has a clear path toward your foundation. Without the mesh to break the wind and deflect the rain, water can pool aggressively around your pool pump machinery and soak your patio foundations. It is tempting to delay repairs to save cash today. However, leaving equipment and foundations exposed leads to secondary water damage that costs significantly more to fix later. Waiting too long turns a manageable exterior repair into a much larger crisis for your home's interior and infrastructure. If you plan to file a homeowner's insurance claim, the clock is already ticking. Insurance companies enforce strict, time-sensitive windows for reporting storm damage. Avoiding the hassle of a professional inspection today might feel easier, but if a weakened frame fails 6 months from now, you will likely pay for the structural repair entirely out of pocket. You need to look for specific damage indicators right now. Check for the obvious torn screens, inspect for bent aluminum sections, and rusted fasteners snapping under tension. This reference image shows how we inspect the foundation level. You must check for secondary stress indicators, like sagging gutters or cracks along the concrete footer where the frame meets the slab. Finding these stress points forces a clear decision. You have to determine whether your structure can safely hold a patch or if it requires a total replacement. Our evaluation follows two paths. Is the aluminum frame structurally sound, or is it suffering from long-term salt air corrosion? If your frame remains strong and the damage is limited to the mesh, you are eligible for targeted repairs, like rescreening and hardware replacement. This route is faster and costs less, but to survive the next storm, you must upgrade to modern flat spline technology and install marine-grade stainless steel fasteners. On the other hand, if your enclosure is over 15 years old and has widespread corrosion, a full replacement is required to meet current building standards. Replacement requires a higher upfront investment. However, spending thousands of dollars to patch a weakened, aging frame is a waste of money because the structure remains at risk of collapse. This is the result of a corroded frame taking a hit. The weak joints give out and the entire structure collapses onto your patio. Properly diagnosing the baseline strength of your aluminum frame is the only way to avoid the expense of a short-term patch job that eventually fails. This table shows the 4 tiers of screen repair, mapping out exactly what you pay and the functionality you receive in return. Tier 1 covers panel replacement, ranging from $1,450 to $1,950. Tier 2 addresses door repairs and hardware, costing between $1,950 and $2,500. These first 2 tiers fix immediate nuisances like bugs and access issues. They do not, however, improve the structure's overall wind load capacity. Tier 3 involves frame section repair at $2,500 to $3,000. Tier 4 is full storm damage restoration, which starts at $3,000 and goes up based on the scope of work. These deeper interventions restore the original geometry of the aluminum frame and reinforce the cage to handle future wind events. Screen Factory Florida manages this entire turnkey process. They use their own in-house crews for every step, eliminating the risks associated with subcontractors. They back their services with 17 years in the business, over 250 5-star reviews, and a 10-year warranty covering both materials and labor. Instead of settling for a temporary patch job, you get a fully permitted, professionally restored structure built to weather the elements. Working with them means following the municipal permitting timeline. In exchange, you get peace of mind and guaranteed building code compliance. You can start by booking a free same-day estimate. Their team will evaluate your specific damage and map out a clear restoration plan. A professional estimate provides the exact, formatted documentation you need to expedite your insurance claim and secure your property before the next storm season. These services are available across Fort Myers, Cape Coral, Estero, Sanibel, and Naples. Choosing a licensed, full-service partner replaces a stressful post-storm liability with a legally sound, long-term investment in your home's security.